Hi, baby girl. Are you playing in the snow? Oh, Ooh, you ate a little snow. How was it? Can you get back up? Oh, a little bit of help? Okay. You can go backwards? There you go. Hey, can you say hi? Hi, are you like the snow? Is it fun? Yeah. Is Mommy and Daddy building a snowman? Emma, there's snow on your shoes. Oh, get it off. Can you say bye-bye? Emma, say bye-bye.
Hi.
Hi. You want that hat off, huh? But you have to leave it on. Keep your ears warm. Aww. I love you, babe. And I love you too. Bye-bye.
Hi.
Hi. What's today, Daddy? The 19th? November 20th, 2010.